So what I'm going to be covering up this year is exactly like this. This is a 10-gallon fabric container right here, and I've got 2 of these I'm going to cover up. I already got the Hopegiver 2-pack of plant covers. They arrive just like this in a plastic bag, paper on top, and they're folded up inside of there, and you get 2 separate plant covers. Now, see right here, they're decent size, but I'm going to take some measurements and show you me wrapping them on a tree so you can get a good idea exactly how much area this thing will cover. We can see that it's like a nice meshy material, breathable, so we can get some air in there. It's got a drawstring on the bottom here, and we have a zipper that goes almost all the way up to the top here. If you can see behind me there, I've got this little black planter that is about the size of this one right here, and I'm going to use this as a final cover on that, just to have a little extra protection through the winter. I'm in zone 7, by the way. So the top of this is sitting at 28 inches, and we're looking at about 20 inches in width. So this is going to be no problem for this one. So you can see it fit around there perfectly on this one. Let me just take this drawstring and we'll pull this tight. And here we go. Here's that one. The first one I covered is a 10-gallon container here, and it just works absolutely perfect for that. As long as you keep it at about 30 inches or under, it has fit perfectly over this 10-gallon fabric container that I have, which is exactly what I wanted. And there you go.